Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another glorious beautiful day with blue skies, sunshine and really gorgeous weather. We had there for a few days a really super cold front come through and it dropped into like the 50s, but now the weather has come back up into like the mid 80s, so thumbs up for that. And we actually did have some rain, and yes, we did need the rain. Anyways, as you can see up here, as promised, the self-driving Grimme SF 150-60, the self-driver from Zico scale 1 to 32. I will introduce that today to you, and also I will have here the Deutz 7230 TTV with a British dump truck from Marston dump trailer that I will implement in a demonstration here of the potato harvester. So let's get cracking. Enough talking. Hope you will enjoy this. So potatoes get picked up here, 2 rows at a time. They go up to the conveyor belt up here, go up over here with this conveyor belt. Here's a thing where you can turn it, but this has been sitting out in the sun now, and this rubber belt is kind of loose, but you can see it actually moves. Then that goes up to this shaker here, onto this conveyor belt here, which moves as well. When you turn this, and it's actually working, goes into this bin. This yellow is supposed to be showing a conveyor belt as well. Then as this bin gets full, this folds out, and with this conveyor belt here, the yellow conveyor belt here, it basically delivers the potatoes into the trailer, and that's how you do it. Then you fold it in, and the tractor with the trailer moves on. Just a quick explanation how this piece of equipment exactly works. And then of course you have the ladders on each side, where one person climbs up over here, one person climbs up on the other side, and they will, on this conveyor belt here, collect rocks out, and they will, there's on this other side here actually a collection bin here where you can collect the rocks and then dispose of them later. Alright my friends, so there you have it. This is the Grimme SF 150-60 self-driving 2-row potato harvester, scale 1:32, made by the German company Zico. Just a few 2 conveyor belts that are movable. This piece down here moves basically where it goes down, and basically goes to where the 2 potato rows are and guides basically the potatoes onto the first conveyor belt. This part moves, and the steering moves, which is a really great steering. And this thing here folds out from the container here, the collection bin, to basically empty with the conveyor belt into the trailer. So it makes for a really great gameplay, and it's a really nice addition to my collection of self-driving harvesters, and I'm really happy to have it. So I also, like I said, I had the 7230 or 7230 TTV Deutz far here in action, with a British trailer from the company Marston, a tandem axle dump trailer, really nice. It actually has authentic dual hydraulics, as you can see right here, and it even has here in the back with hydraulics, authentic, where you can open the back, the hatch, and everything, and then dump it. So it's a really nice model as well. So I implemented those in the demonstration here. So leave me some nice comments down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up as always, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Maybe give me some requests. I am not sure what I'm gonna do next for equipment. I have now some tractors maybe that you would like to see, so leave me some comments or something. Do you want to see a John Deere? Do you want to see International Harvester, or a Fendt, or a Deutz far. What would you like to see next? So with that said, thank you once again for watching. Hugs, love, and kisses. Mwah. See you, and you will see me in the next video. Toodles!